Hello, welcome back to KG Bees. So a new addition to our field is that we've now got our potato honesty box on Berwyn Street in Llandrillo. So if anybody does live locally, they are £2 a bag. Just need to stock up there. But we do have a QR code for PayPal as well. Just been picking some of the things in the field. So these are our beetroots. I'm very impressed with our carrots. First time that we've grown carrots, and our onions. What we did today, Matt?
Just going to have a quick look at the bees to see what they've been doing over the weekend. There seems to be a flow on, so there's quite a bit of activity in the hive, so we're just going to have a look, see what they've been pulling in really. So we're just going to have a quick look through the brood box, make sure the queen's there, make sure there's eggs and larvae. As you can see, the bees are in here covering 9 frames, which is good. So we're just going to go through it and have a look to see what's been going on.
So this is our hive 4 that we're just checking now. These are AMM bees, aren't they, Matt?
So yeah, they're native European bees or European black bees. So this is one of the colonies we've got. They're a bit darker. As you see, there's plenty of bees there. Just having a quick look for the queen.
So these are darker compared to the buckfast that we've got. I'll just try and see if I can get a colour of the buckfast ones for you. So these are a bit lighter in colour. It is getting later on in the day, so it's not as active, the hive. So I'll see whether we can get a colour for you. There we are. So they're just a little bit lighter in colour, more yellow than the AMR ones. So these are generally what the clubs and that have round here, isn't it?
Yeah, they're
Matt?
locally adapted bees, adapted to the local environment. They're quite hardy.
We're just we're trying buckfast and these ones just for our own knowledge, isn't it really, Matt?
Yeah, so we're just doing a bit of a comparison between them both. So we're just doing a bit of an experiment really.
Yeah, that's the word. I couldn't think of the word.
What the difference is. As you can see here, the queen is just on the side of the frame. It's a lot darker queen, marked green. And this frame is laid out with brood and larvae and eggs in various stages. So that was 4th frame in.
There seems to be a few more bees in here than last time when we checked. What's it going to be, about a week now since we last
It's
checked?
been a week. We've had some good weather, so especially on the weekend.
Matt's just trying to get his smoker to go again. Comparison wise though, I can't see any difference from buckfast to these ones. These one like to, is it propolis where it all the glue?
We have enough, yeah.
These tend to propolise everything rather than the buckfast ones, but temperament wise they're very much the same, aren't they?
Yeah, so we spotted the queen. we're just going to check to see if there's any queen cells. There's a clay cup down here.
I think that was there the other day.
Just get rid of that. We can. It's not charged, which is fine. And there's another one over here, in the bottom corner. A full frame of brood there, both sides. This queen in this, so the queen in this hive, you know, she's a really good layer. She lays edge to edge on the frame, both sides, really good. There seems to be plenty of bees in here, plenty of emerging bees. No signs of any disease, infection, varroa. The wings are intact, we can't see anything. All looks good. Frame of brood, really good. All looks good in here. Queen's there. No queen cells, just some play cups, and there's still plenty of bees. We have got super on. There's plenty of bees there, but they are starting to draw this out. But you know, it's a bit late. They are starting to draw it on. There's plenty of bees there, so hopefully.
You never know, might get one frame.
Yeah, I can draw it out anyway for me, and hopefully make the job easier for next season. That's it for this hive. All seems to be in good order.